Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch sample. It's gonna very easy. Here we have some lines and arcs, and please pause the video and do this sketch by yourself, then come and watch this video. It's gonna be very easy. I know you can do this, and please practice at home. So pause the video. So let's keep drawing this sketch sample. Before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as this possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, I click on new part. Okay. Now I have a new part, and for drawing this sketch we have to choose a plane, and here we have three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane. But for now, just click on the front plane and click on sketch. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now, just click on the front plane. So first thing first, we have to start drawing our sketch with the origin point. So here we have a circle, and for doing that, I come to circle and I choose 2-point circle. It means that I can draw the circle with 2 clicks. It's more common in SolidWorks, 2-point circle. I mostly use this type of circle. So I draw a circle here. So you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point appears. So let's draw this arc here. For drawing the arc, just choose arc and draw an arc here, and right click select to exit the tool. The arc here and the circle here are concentric. It means that the center of these two entities are merged. So for doing that, just hold the control button and choose the arc here and the circle here and the arc here and give it concentric relation. Now the center of these two entities are merged. If you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come here in hide and show items and turn on the view sketch relation or the view sketch dimension. So hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point and the point here and give it vertical relation. Okay. Now choose line and draw a line here and a vertical line. So you can see as I move the line, and yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. Here we have an arc, so I choose arc. I choose 3-point arc and I draw an arc here. And here we have a vertical line, and I connect this line to the arc here. So right click select to exit the tool. These lines here and here have the same dimensions, so hold the control button and choose this line and this line and give it equal relation. In add relation, give it equal relation, and do the same thing with these two lines, equal relation. And the center of the arc here must be horizontal to the origin point, so hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point here and with horizontal relation. Sorry, hold Ctrl Z and do it again. Choose this point and the origin point here and give it horizontal relation. So let me see what's the problem. So hold the Ctrl Z, and we have to firstly give the dimension. The dimension of this circle is 8 millimeter. And the radius of this arc is 8 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 25 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 30 millimeter. And now we have to make this point horizontal to the point here. Now it is horizontal, and this point is vertical to the point here. So I give it vertical relation. You can see the color of the entities are turning to black, but our sketch is still underdefined because the sketch is moving. All we have to do is just give this arc dimension of, this arc the radius of 7.50 millimeter. So now it is fully fine and I can't move my sketch. It was a pretty easy sketch. Please practice at home and watch my previous videos to learn more about drawing a sketch. And I have uploaded some videos about 3D models. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. And thanks for watching this video.